Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word is bag, a simple and useful word that you'll encounter in many everyday situations. A bag is a noun that means a container for carrying things. Think of the items you might use to hold your groceries, books, or even clothes. Those are all examples of a bag. Let's talk about some synonyms for bag. Words like sack, pouch, and tote can often be used in similar ways. For example, you might say, I packed my lunch in a sack this morning, or she keeps her makeup in a small pouch. Similarly, I bought a reusable tote at the store yesterday is another way to talk about a bag. Now, let's consider some antonyms. While there aren't direct opposites for bag, we could think about words like box or container that serve a similar purpose but are not flexible or portable in the same way. For example, the gifts are stored in a cardboard box, or he keeps the spices in sealed containers. These examples show how different items are used to carry or store things, but differ from a bag in form or function. You'll find the word bag popping up in many aspects of daily life. For instance, you might say, can you hand me that bag of chips? Or don't forget your gym bag when you leave the house. Expressions like to bag groceries or to bag a seat also show how versatile this word is. In some cases, people even use it in a slang sense, like he managed to bag the last ticket to the concert, meaning he secured it successfully. Here are a few more examples to help you get comfortable with the word. She carried a large bag filled with textbooks. I always keep a small bag of snacks in my car for emergencies. After shopping, they loaded the paper bags into the car. Notice how this word fits seamlessly into these sentences. That's all for today's episode on the word bag. To summarize, a bag is a container for carrying things with synonyms like sack, pouch, and tote, and contrasting words like box or container. It's a word you'll use often, so start practicing today. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. I'd love to hear from you, too. Create your own sentence using the word bag and share it in the comments. See you next time on Hello Word.